Ever taken a photo and later wondered when exactly you captured it? Or maybe you want your photos to look a little more professional with the date and time stamped right on them. Well, if you're using a Samsung phone, you can actually do this super easily right from the camera settings. Let me show you how. First, open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Once the camera is open, tap the gear icon to open the camera settings. After that, scroll a little until you find the option called Watermark. Tap it and make sure the watermark feature is turned on. Inside the watermark settings, you'll see several options. Here, you can enable date and time, so every photo you take will automatically show when it was captured. If you want, you can also turn on Model Name, which will add your Samsung phone model to the photo watermark. Now let's customize it a bit. Tap on Date, and here you can choose how the date appears on your photos. You can pick the full format, a short version, or even a numbers-only style, depending on what you like. Next, tap on Time. Here you can decide whether you want the AM/PM format or just the regular time display without it. Samsung also lets you change the font style for the watermark. You can choose between Default, Roboto, and Noto Serif. Just pick whichever one looks best to you. After that, you can adjust the alignment. You can place the watermark on the left, center, or right, and also decide whether it appears at the top or bottom of your photos. And that's it. Now, every time you take a picture, the date and time will automatically appear as a watermark on your photos. Pretty easy, right? So next time you look back at your pictures, you'll always know exactly when the moment happened. Try it out and see how it makes your photos look. And if you like simple tips like this to get more out of your Samsung phone, make sure you stick around for the next video because I've got more cool tricks coming up.